All right, I'm in my truck. Well, my dad's truck now. Just left the road. Gotta go to the bank first. It's just me, myself, and I on a maybe a 6-hour drive for that piece. Woo! He lives in my town. I can see that truck all the time on the road. It's nice. So yeah. I guess I'll hit y'all up when I'm back on the interstate, when I get on the interstate or when, whatever. Time lapse bullshit. Just waiting to get the cash out. Oh yeah, Hauser for the win, yo. Oh, word! Amazon! Made it to Oklahoma, just across the border. That truck right there wanted to fucking do the most. Slow down, pass me. The dispensary, I just literally passed the dispensary immediately. That's kind of dope. Yeah, that 18-wheeler right there in the fast lane almost fucking ran me off the goddamn road. But I'm still good. Just tired. Driving a long ass time. I don't know how much longer I got, but I got a pretty good amount of way still. So I'll check up on y'all later. Guys, I'm about an hour away from my exit or so. About hour 15, hour 20. I just checked the GPS. God, this drive is so. Your lights flickering, dude. It fucking sucks. It's blinding as fuck. Alright, just do a little update. Hour or so till I get to my destination. I need to slow down. I got 91 here. That sucks. 87, 89, 91. Dope. I'm just getting like 20 bucks in gas. I don't really need it. I still got a good amount, but I'm in Ardmore right now. Valero. Cheaper gas than what we got here in, well, where I live in Texas. It's fucking $2.89 here. Wow, nice. Alright, well, get back on the road. In like a second, literally. Slowing down. Seems about right. Casinos everywhere. Everywhere. This is one thing good about Oklahoma. That's slightly better than Texas. Legal gambling. Alright, back on the road. Alright guys, I just got up to the homie's house, pulled up the bike. I ain't gonna show you shit yet, but definitely not those. But look at this gorgeous DRZ. Oh, you got the brim, bro. And a whole lot of other bullshit too. Shout out to the homies. What was it again? Fruit what?
Fruit Loop Stunts.
Fruit Loop Stunts. There you go. Follow that shit. He go hard. Y'all, 17 of y'all follow that shit. Alright guys. It is 11:30 at night. And apparently there's a casino here at this Chickasaw traffic stop. Or travel stop. I can't fucking read. I'm tired. I've been on the road all day. But I'll give you a little hint of what I got till I get home, which will be tonight at, I don't know, 2 something. pumping gas right now, guys. Just pumping gas. See, guys, we're pumping gas. But here is your shoes. Boom.
In 400 feet, turn right onto Lone Star Circle.
Yeah. Fuck me. Alright, I'm gonna go in here, use the restroom, stretch my legs. I'll be back. You got again. Fuckies. Alright, I'm almost home. 8 miles from my house. The Whataburger is across this bridge. My house is behind me somewhere, but I'm going to the Whataburger because I want a burger at, what did I say? 2:30 in the morning. January 4th. Now you know what day it was. But yeah, 2:30 in the morning. I'm gonna go get me a burger because I'm about 15 minutes. I'm 10 minutes from my house. 15 minutes from my bed. But after this, I'll probably be about fucking 30 minutes from my house. But thank you for coming along with this little weird fucking trip. I'll do a reveal tomorrow. I'll try to show you what it is, tell you what it is. And thank you.